Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. Here's 9 p.m. bulletins. Prime Minister Imran Khan addressed NHA function. He said automation has changed the world, making it impossible to corrupt. But unfortunately, corruption was recognized in the system of this country. Those who take unfair advantages of the old systems do not allow change. The Prime Minister said that the world would see how much development of Pakistan was enhanced by the auto propositions. In Osama Sati case, the police deliberately fired shots and bullets were coming from all sides. Police officers who arrived at the scene tried to hide it and no photo was taken at the time. The Prime Minister met Osama's father and prayed there and assured him that he would take an action against his son's killer. Fazlur Rahman said that Imran Khan has to go. He did not consider the government easy, but it proved to be iron. The tragedy of much is going behind and the investigations law and order in Balochistan has improved by 75%. The meeting of spokespersons chaired by PM Prime Ministers was over. Speeches of Maulana Fazlur Rahman and opposition's spokespersons were also discussed in the meeting. Imran Khan said, "We will buy cheap sugar from world market because this time sugarcane production is very good. We will not allow sugar mills to make illegal profits." He also said that sugar would be imported on time this year. A presidential award ceremony was held at the presidency in which the Turkish interior minister was present with presidential award. Turkey met the foreign minister of Azerbaijan and Pakistan and discussed Kashmir and various issues. Pakistan will face a slowdown in the banking system this year and economic growth will be 1.5%. Great news for Hajj and Umrah pilgrims. Saudi Arabia has decided to open all countries' airports from 31st January. Fog and cold wave will intensity in different parts of the country. Flights are facing problems in schedules due to closures in the vicinity of Lahore airport.